Captain, incoming message from the command.
On screen.
Captain, the blue shirts at SpaceLab have a new experiment for you to perform.
We're the blue shirts designing this experiment. I'm William and I'm 17.
I'm Maggie and I'm 16.
And I'm Lee and I'm 17.
This experiment involves a saturation point of liquids in space. We know that increased pressure will allow more of a substance to dissolve in a fluid, but will microgravity allow less to dissolve?
Our hypothesis is that it will, because gravity exerts a force on a fluid creating pressure. In a soda can, for example, large amounts of carbon dioxide are able to dissolve due to the increased pressure.
We conducted a test experiment here on the starbase. We placed a small sample of acid powder, sulfamic acid, or H3NSO3, in small vials with water.
Next, 2 larger test tubes of water were heated to the same temperature, and the acid vials were placed into them carefully.
One of these larger test tubes, containing the smaller vial of acid and water solution, was then placed on an improvised centrifuge. This was done to simulate greater gravity, as we cannot simulate less.
After each sample was able to cool, the pH of each solution was tested with a digital pH sensor. The pH of the control solution came out to 1.6. The test solution that was placed on a centrifuge to simulate the increased force of gravity measured a pH of around 0.8.
These results confirmed our hypothesis. This would have significance to any experiment or other process in space involving saturated solutions, as they would have to be adjusted to the results of this experiment.
Ensign Cornell, set a course for Starbase SpaceLab.
Of course they did, Captain.
Warp Factor 6, engage.